thanks so much for joining me today. Thanks for stopping by and clicking that video. Thanks for essentially telling me that this video is interesting to you. I have no idea if this kind of video exists anywhere else. I didn't really do a search for it. I just thought it sounded fun, so I'm going with it. And kitty cat, you better get out of that bag. If you couldn't tell by the title already, I'm going to do a tool-free, hands-only makeup challenge on myself. And at first I thought, oh, this will be easy, until I dug out two very specific products: mascara and eyebrow pencil. I have to apply these without the applicators. I have to use my fingers or my hands. So this is going to be interesting. So if that sounds interesting to you and perhaps entertaining, then stay tuned. Alright, so I've got texture as usual. My eczema is still bad. I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing with my eczema at this point because, let's just face it, it's just not getting any better. So I'm going to apply some of the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. You can apply that with your fingers. Whoop-de-doo. So that's what I'm going to do. I haven't used this in a while, and I forgot how nice it is on the skin. It's kind of moisturizing, but it just kind of settles in and makes this face feel really smoothed out. Alright, I am going to do foundation. I'm going to go light on foundation today because I've just not been wanting to wear full face, or at least the full coverage face foundation. MAC Face and Body, which a lot of you already know is one of my favorites. If not, then now you know. Regardless, I have to use my fingers to blend this in. I feel like I'm kind of cheating with this product because it's so liquidy. It's basically something you can use your fingers with. But I have been using this like every day, so I'm not cheating necessarily. Wait until we get to concealer, then you'll see that I'm not cheating. I just like this for the summer because it's so light. It evens out whatever skin tone issues I'm having, which isn't very many, I'll be honest. I'm very lucky. I'm very blessed with a pretty good even skin tone. By the way, I did sanitize my hands and washed them well before I started. I know it's probably not the best time to do like a hands-only makeup challenge, you know, given the circumstances and what we're going through as a world. You know what, if it's only my own face, then it's not that big of a deal, I guess. As long as I am washing my hands and I'm keeping my hands clean in between my applications, so yeah. I forgot to use this. I'm such a dude. I'm such a dunce. Okay, concealer. I'm going to try my Il Makiage one again. It's going to be a little pink, so it'll be a little brightening under my dark circles. So I'm putting it on my finger. This is going to be interesting because I'm not going to be able to blend it with the brush, which I usually do. Alright, let's see. Actually, this won't be too bad, will it? I don't know. A little here to brighten this area. No beauty blender, no brush, just the fingers. It's on the eyelid. Yeah, on the eyelid, kitty. Okay, this is sort of blending. I don't know. It definitely is going to need setting. Without my powder puff, this is going to be interesting. Alright, well, let's just do it. I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Make sure my fingers are kind of dry. This is interesting. I'm not going to be able to brush excess away, so this is going to be really interesting. So maybe I shouldn't be as heavy as I am with the product on my fingers. Smooth that out. Rubbing it a little bit. Actually, that doesn't look too bad, does it? My concealer already creased. Okay. I'm going to go get coffee as soon as I'm done here, so I hope my makeup doesn't look too crazy because they'll probably laugh at me. You hear that noise? Is that ASMR sounding? Motorcycle, is it? Okay, that's as good as that's gonna get. Does it look good? You guys can be the judge. Does that look okay? Alright, scary part is the brows. So usually I use a brow pencil, but I'm going to use a cream because there's just no way that this really dry pencil is going to... Oh man, this is going to be terrible. There's just no way possible that I can get a brow pencil onto the fingers enough to apply the product. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lock-On Liner and Brow Cream. If you're boycotting ABH like I am, this might be a good dupe for you for the dip brows. Okay, let's use my finger. I'm using my pinky because it's the smallest. Okay, it's not too bad yet. I have a feeling this is just going to be like the slightest. I'm too afraid to go heavy on this. Oh, it's looking kind of bad. It's looking bad. Oh dear. Gotta get I'm gonna have the splotchiest eyebrows ever, guys. From afar, it doesn't look too bad, but up close, I'm just seeing it's patchy. Oh dear, it's a little thick here. And I have this little brow hair that's sticking out kind of goofy. So the brow's looking okay. Look how dirty my finger is though. Ew. Let's get a little bit more. Trying to get rid of some of the splotchiness. And I can't comb my brows. Oh man, this looks so bad. I don't know. I'm telling you guys. This hands only, fingers only challenge is already going to be the death of me, I think. Oh, that looks so bad. I'm looking at the viewfinder, and then up close. Up close is not as bad as it looks from afar. Hey, at least I have definition in my face, I guess. I can't complain. Oh, yeah, I also have to go into the pharmacy and pick up a prescription. That's going to be interesting. I already know these are going to be like distant cousin brows today. They're not even going to look like first cousins. It's going to be like third cousins twice removed or something. See, from afar, this one looks perfect. This one just looks terrible. But up close, they both look bad. We'll just stay far away from folks. Oh, it's terrible, terrible, terrible. Oy. Oh well. I'm just done. I'm not going to try this anymore. Look how bad that looks. It's because I can't get pigment, like I can't get enough pigment on my fingers to just get in there and create brush strokes. Of course, it doesn't help that this brown doesn't quite match 100% because I bought this when I still had red hair. So it's kind of like a reddish brown. Let's go ahead and move on to the eyelids. I have my Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer from Elizabeth Mott. I think I used a little too much here. Well, one thing for sure, the eyeshadows better cling on to this. I decided to shop my stash a little bit and I grabbed a random trio. This is, oh shoot, I broke that. No, I didn't. It's just a cat hair. This is what I got in an Ipsy bag, as you can probably tell because it says Ipsy by NYX. So this one is Ipsy by NYX. It's a brown palette with very neutral colors, 2 satins, and I think that's a matte. I haven't used that black yet. Oh yeah, it's definitely a matte black. Look at that. I am going to go into that brown with my middle finger. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a coppery brown. That is really pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's go ahead. Yeah, this is going to be pretty. I don't know how it's going to blend with my fingers, but, you know, it'll do. Oh, I can already tell it's going to be challenging to blend it, but it is what it is, right? We're going to make this work. I mean, people have been putting on makeup with their fingers for years. Oh, why can't I? It's alright. It's okay. I'll just have kind of a goofy makeup day. Haha! Bang bang, I rhymed there. So the other night I was watching Netflix and I was so bored of the same TV shows that I've been kind of binge watching. So I decided to watch a movie and I watched The Help, and I had never seen it before, but there was the clip with the pie. If you haven't seen it and you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm not going to spill too much about it, especially since I'm applying brown to my eyelid. But I watched that the other night all the way through, and the whole context behind the pie is just like, oh, that woman deserved that. The day I'm filming, today is Juneteenth. So happy Juneteenth, or belated Juneteenth to everybody. We have a lot of work to go with Black Lives Matter and ensuring that our black brothers and sisters, agender and transgender, and everyone in between who does or doesn't identify with the gender, everyone on that spectrum has equality, equity, and justice. So anyway, I'm really excited that Juneteenth is being talked about a lot more lately. I heard of it a couple years ago, but didn't think much of it because there didn't seem to be a lot of stuff really going on. I remember there being Black Lives Matter protests on those days, but not a lot else going on. But I feel like there's a lot more given, you know, the socioeconomic and political landscape, and I feel like there's just a lot more going on with that. But anyway, I just wanted to say happy Juneteenth. I'm gonna go study. Today I have a final, and I just need to go study for a little bit, and I am pretty sure I'll do well on the exam. But, you know, it doesn't hurt to study. So I'm taking this lighter shade here, and I'm just popping that into this inner corner. And I really like how that's looking. It's a very shimmery look. I am pretty sure I'm not going to try to, you know, blend that out any further and not add any matte shades. Oh, I am dreading the mascara, you guys. I am dreading it. But I brought out a pigment because I wasn't sure if I wanted to apply it. It's a duochrome from Inglot, and this is what it looks like. It's like a brown plummy base with some blue reflex. You know what? Let's live our best life and do it. It's got a little bit of glitter in it. Just pop a little bit here. Oops, that's messy. Okay, and without a brush, this might have not been the smartest move, but whatevs. You live and you learn, and you live your best life doing things that you probably shouldn't be doing. But look how pretty that is. You see that shift? Oh, yes. I'll be honest, I don't have a lot of makeup that's owned by black brands. I have some from Fenty, I have some from Pat McGrath, I have Colored Rain and Juvia's Place, but I don't really have any of the smaller, lesser known indie brands, but I have a whole list like next to my computer, so anytime I want to order makeup or replace any products, I'm going to shop there first. But that's my goal, to do that. So if you're interested, I'll have a list below that you can check out. I wasn't thinking. Guys, I have pigment and glitter all over my cheeks, and I can't use a brush to clean it up, so let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh. Well, maybe this will just be my highlighter today. And blush, because look what happened. It kind of wore off my foundation. Okay, let's see if it'll work this way. Get it a little wet and sticky. It's working a little better. But I still got glitter and pigment all over my cheeks, and now my cheeks are purpley glittery. Okay, this blend on this outer corner is terrible. Let's see if I wonder if I can make this look any better. Oh dear. Oh, I'm also just dreading the next step, to be honest. I'm not even gonna bother with eyeliner. I already know I'm gonna make a mess of it, and I still have to go out in public, so I'm not gonna attempt it. But I am going to attempt mascara. So I think how I'm going to do this is I'm going to run the comb on my finger like this and just kind of brush. Oh no, this is going to be clumpy as you know what. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Just switch fingers. Oh no, this is not looking pretty, guys. I don't know what I was thinking. Maybe I'll just blink through the product. Okay, that's okay. And I've got some mascara on my eyelid. Great. Okay, it seems to be applying better since I let it dry a little bit more on my fingers. Okay. Oh, it's not horrible, but it definitely is not the best. Ah, shoot. Got it on my eyelid again. I'm going to switch fingers. This one's too hard to do with my left. Oh, you got mascara everywhere. It's like the worst nightmares when you get mascara everywhere. It smudges and it's under my nails and it's yuck. This is not easy. It looks like it would be easy, but it's not. Like this side, like I have a whole clump. Can you see it? Yeah, I'm going to point it out. I'm not messing with it. But right there is a little clump. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it. Oh, I am looking like a beginner in makeup right now. Okay, let's get these bottom lashes. Actually, this is easier. The bottom lashes look decent. Ah! Look what I just did. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I'm gonna have to redo my concealer. Oh no. Oh no. Oh dear. Yeah, this is not going to get any better, and I'm just making a big mess, and I'm going to end up with mascara smeared all over my face if I continue like this. So I just need to finish, oh dear, I just realized I have lipstick to do too. That's going to be messy. Okay. As I was saying, at least there's wet wipes. Okay, really quickly, I'm going to apply some blush and bronzer duo. This is a NYX Mosaic thing called Dare. I honestly do not know if they still sell this. I'm going to try using my fingers. This isn't too bad. I actually use my fingers to apply blush and bronzer a lot, and it in powder form because you can really control kind of where it goes. It's harder on the eyes though, just because the curvature and shape. That doesn't look bad, does it? Maybe I'm just psyching myself out. Okay, it's not too bad. Oh, shoot. That's really dark. I was not paying attention there. Oh, it's a little dark. I wish I could use my brush. See, how is it I can get one side okay and then the other side looks like a clown? Yeah. Alright, here comes the true test. I kind of want to cheat and just do lip gloss. Actually, no. But I'm going to do lip color. I'm going to do a pink. I've only used this lip color once, I think. This is from Touch and Soul. But it's called Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Soul Velvet Lipstick in Seoul Rose. Seoul as in like the Korean city Seoul. Here's the color. Let's do this. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I should have made it harder on myself by going with a really creamy lipstick. But I think I have the hardest thing with the mascara and brows. That's pretty. It's not bad. Not bad with the fingers, anyway. Oh, I forgot highlight. Do I really need it, though? I mean, I've got the shimmery glow going, so I think I'm going to skip it. There's a lot of shimmer on my face and eyes. And then I have my matte lip, which I'm kind of glad I didn't go with the cream. Brow game, y'all. And lash game, y'all. That looks so good. Not really. There, you can kind of see my lashes a little bit better now. And just how things just kind of look blah. I look blasé today. A-okay. The only thing I can really say about this makeup look is that I do like the eyeshadow. It looks okay. I'm gonna just not go out looking like this. I think it looks just kind of wonky. I am going to blend this out, and I'm going to fix my brows and fix my lashes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in doing this challenge, I tag you. So Allie, if you're watching, I tag you to do this video along with anybody else who's interested. I would love to see you try this. It's actually not as hard as I thought it was going to be. There's just a couple things that are really challenging, like the brows and lashes, as I mentioned before. Let me know if there's any other tips and tricks that you might have in applying things with your fingers that I might not have been aware of. Okay, I really need some definition. I'm going to take that black and just pop a little bit here on this outer third of the lid and try to blend that as prettily as possible. Yes, I said prettily. It is a word. You can look it up if you don't believe me. Scrabble Queen right here. It's a little patchy, but I'm just gonna deal with it. But it definitely, like, it helps the eyes. It looks so much better with the dark, even though this looks like crud. And I keep smudging crap on this outer lid. There we go. I don't know if this is even salvageable. But I need coffee. I need to pick up my prescription. I gotta go. So I'll see you next time. Stay electric. Mwah.